Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Kaup. Now, it doesn't make that much sense because there's literally no cooking at any time during any of the episodes. So, it does involve Kaup. That's me. So, makes a little sense that way. Here are the active ingredients of said thingy-ding. So, unfortunately, Mr. Kaup has kind of wandered off script at this point, and he's talking about raising tariffs on everyone he disagrees with, which unfortunately is everyone. So, let's kind of fast forward to the point where he's adding ingredients. We observed him adding 3 tablespoons of the white sesame seeds. And then we also observed him adding 4 tablespoons of the pumpkin seeds. He put in 2 sort of heaping tablespoons of the flax seeds, and he put in 4 level tablespoons of the walnuts. And I think that covered the ingredients, didn't it? Did we say the chia seeds? The chia seeds, 4 tablespoons of the chia seeds. And so now perhaps we can return to a more coherent Mr. Kaup, although I seriously doubt it. I really do. Here's what I do. This is the pulse button. Ooh, see, it pulsed. I didn't want it to pulse that soon. Why did it pulse so soon? Oh my God. See how hard cooking is, especially if you're not actually cooking anything? So let's see. Are you seeing this? I hope so. Who are you again? So the point of this thing is that this is how I pulse things. To get it granular the way that you want it, I start out, and I don't know if you have these same numbers on yours, but start out at about a level 2. I just increment it. At a certain point, it starts building up on the sides, and shake it down a little bit. And 7 is about as far as I go, because if you do that too much, it'll start making butter out of it. As you can see, this seems to have about the consistency that the other one did. That's it.